Lights, camera, action. It's that time for you to get crammed up with me, Aunt Khadija, your star guru. I have been receiving a lot of your video messages telling me about your matric dance programs. Because I am your matric dance dance guru, I will never leave you hanging. On today's video, we meet up with Natasha.
My name is Natasha Tanya. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Milnerton High School. My matric dance is coming soon and I'm very amped for it. Can't wait to hit the red carpet. Already found my date. So basically I don't like taking a lot of pictures because firstly I have bad habits. Like I pout, I stick my tongue out and I do the peace sign, and I think I should drop that by now. Auntie Khadija, please, pretty please help me because I want to find the perfect angle for my photos because I want to keep them. I want to frame them so they can look good, so I can show my varsity friends and my colleagues in the future. So please help me. Thank you.
Whoa! Thank the Glam Heroes for you to send us that video. I am an expert when it comes to positions. But to help me, I've got my girlfriend who has run the roads of Paris modeling, Aunt Poutness. Try to stay away from these normal poses, which are pouting, peace sign, smiling with your mouth closed. Pose number 1, over the shoulder. This will make your neck look longer and your body look slimmer, showing off your gorgeous dress. Pose number 2, the constipated pose. All you have to do is push your booty out, put your hands on your waist, lean towards the camera. Pose number 3, the oopsie, I dropped my pen pose. This, drop your head to one side like you're carrying a heavy weight. Then look straight into the camera with a fierce pose. I know that all of these tips will help you because this is what Aunt Poutness used in the streets of Paris. But from us here in the studios, ciao,